The city's famed mosques to witness preparations to throw open their doors for devotees. Several arrangements have been made at the Jama Masjid in KR Market to ensure that all norms are followed and devotees observe social distancing while performing namaz. Devotees have been asked to wear masks while coming to the mosque. Sanitization tunnels have also been installed at the mosques. The historic Gali Anjaneya temple located on Mysuru Road was cleaned and sanitized by temple staff ahead of reopening on Monday. All necessary precautions are being taken to ensure that devotees followed the health safety norms. With the city's shrines permitted to reopen from June 8, several arrangements have been made at the Gavi Gangadhareshwara temple. Social distancing boxes have been marked at the shrine. Furthermore, devotees will only be permitted to have darshan. No sevas or prasadam distribution will be held. Children below the age of 10 years, senior citizens, pregnant women will not be permitted to enter the temple. The city's temples are all geared up to throw open their doors for devotees from Monday. The TTD temple at Malleshwaram too has made all arrangements to ensure that safety guidelines are practiced. All devotees will undergo thermal screening and will be provided with hand sanitizer. Social distancing boxes too have been put in place. The city's popular temple, ISKCON, will not be reopening its doors for devotees from Monday. The decision was taken by the temple management in anticipation of large crowds that may gather at the shrine. However, the temple administration has said that a decision on reopening the temple will be taken after June 15th. The city's popular hotels and restaurants are all set to resume dine-in services from Monday. Preparations are underway at the popular MTR chain to ensure that the customers get the best service while remaining safe and maintaining social distance. Meanwhile, preparations are also underway at the popular Chalukya Hotel near Vidhana Sauda that is frequently thronged by politicos and officials. Non-veg lovers too have much to cheer about as several non-vegetarian hotels, including the Empire chain on hotels, are ready to throw their doors open for the people.
ಈಗ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎರಡೆರಡು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಕೂದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ನಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು 6 ಫೀಟ್ ಅಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
The city's malls are undertaking a final round of checks before throwing their doors open to the public. The mall premises were cleaned and sanitized by housekeeping staff. Thermal screening of visitors and store staff, including sanitizing their bags, have also been put in place by the mall officials. The reopening of KR Market has turned into a bone of contention between farmers and BBMP officials. The farmers staged a protest at the market on Saturday, demanding that the market be reopened for trade. However, the BBMP officials are reluctant to do so over fears of the spread of the dreaded coronavirus. The BBMP officials are under the apprehension that it would be difficult to control the virus spread as farmers from neighbouring districts do visit the market and it would be difficult to track them. BBMP Commissioner B.H. Anil Kumar said that a decision will soon be taken about reopening KR Market. Speaking to reporters, Anil Kumar said that a meeting will be held in this regard, following which a decision will be taken.
ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಡೋದು ಅದನ್ನ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವರ್ತಕರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೇವೆ.
Bannerghatta Biological Park is slated to reopen its doors to tourists and visitors from Monday. The park authorities have taken all necessary measures to ensure that the health safety norms are adhered to. Social distancing boxes, thermal screening and hand sanitizers are some of the measures put in place by the authorities. The Department of Pre-University Education has commenced preparations for conducting the pending English examinations for second PU students. The exam is scheduled to be held on June 18th. According to official figures, around 6 lakh students are slated to write the exam in around 1,000 centres across the state. Preparations are being made to screen the students and provide them with hand sanitizer. Belagavi's prominent BJP politicos, the Katti brothers, met Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa at his residence, Kaveri. The Katti duo Ramesh and Umesh joined Chief Minister Yediyurappa on his morning walk. The leaders were also joined by the former Minister Murugesh Nirani. The leaders reportedly discussed about the upcoming Rajya Sabha elections. Congress leader DK Shivkumar will formally assume the post of KPCC President on June 14th. The official ceremony is slated to be held at the Congress Bhavan. DK Shivkumar had been appointed to the post in early March. However, the official ceremony could not be held due to the lockdown.
7ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞಾ ದಿನ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಘೋಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. 8ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್, 8ನೇ ತಾರೀಕುವರೆಗೂ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಉಲ್ಲಂಘನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ 14ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪತ್ರ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Bengaluru police have arrested the main accused in connection with the suicide of Kannada actress Chandana. The accused has been identified as 29-year-old Dinesh. The accused had reportedly entered into a physical relationship with Chandana after promising to marry her. This had resulted in Chandana getting pregnant. She was later allegedly forced to undergo abortion by Dinesh. It has also been reported that Dinesh had allegedly cheated the actress of nearly 5 lakh rupees. Chandana had committed suicide on May 28th by consuming poison and had recorded a video blaming Dinesh for her plight. A notorious rowdy sheeter was brutally hacked to death in the city. The incident was reported from JP Nagar. The deceased rowdy sheeter has been identified as Pagal Sina, alias Arvind Sina. He was reportedly associated with many crimes, including murder, assault and dacoity. Several cases had been registered against him. The reason behind the murder is yet to be ascertained.